guys, so today I thought I would just do a quick review. I was going to do my 100-day 100 mask challenge, and tonight is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Instant Oatmeal mask. And I know some of you guys in the past have asked me for a mask recommendation, and this was most likely the one I recommended for you because it's very hydrating. It rinses off easily. It contains some good oatmeal, shea butter, a lot of beneficial ingredients, licorice root, things like that. And it's also pretty affordable and also packaged well. So this is the mask I'm doing tonight. I really like it. If you picked up any of the First Aid Beauty sets during the holiday season, a couple of sets had full-size bottles of this, so it might be worth checking the First Aid Beauty website out if you're thinking about picking it up. But you just apply it. It's a very good mask for hydrating. If you have very oily skin, that might not be a huge issue for you, but it really has helped my skin in the winter time. I try and do it about once or twice a week, so it really helps, especially this time of year in Minnesota when it's super dry. Like even my poor hands are like kind of cut up from the dry weather. I need to be better about wearing gloves, but this mask you can leave on. I usually try and leave it on for about 20 minutes and then I rinse it off. I wish it didn't contain, it has a few little pieces of like oatmeal in it, but I kind of wish it didn't contain that because otherwise then I could leave it as a leave-on mask, but or a sleeping mask. But anyway, so I've been trying a lot of masks out, and to be honest, I still really like this one. So, and I thought I'd also suggest a few other masks to you guys, maybe like kind of a mask top 5. So if you have issues with like exfoliation and want to help brighten your skin out, a great mask is the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial. Does a great job exfoliating skin. The Trufora, they're a brand sold I think on like Derm Store, but this is a triple action exfoliator, which is a mask and also helps exfoliate skin kind of in one step. So it does a decent job with that. Another good mask is the Algenist Alive Prebiotic Balancing Mask. I really found it helped brighten my skin out and help kind of bring out the natural color in it without drying it out. So that was a good one. Another good exfoliating mask, but packaged badly, is the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This does a great job exfoliating skin. It also smells like pumpkins and things, but I'm a little bit more lenient when it comes to masks because for the most part, if there's fragrance in it or bad things, it's going to get rinsed off. I still try and avoid it as much as I can. But anyway, I'm kind of a little bit more lenient with something that's not going to be on my skin for 12 to 20 hours a day. So that's a good one. Another good one for hydrating is also the Peter Thomas Roth Hungarian Thermal Water Mask. And I believe this might come in a smaller size squeeze tube, so it might be worth checking out because I'm not a big fan of the packaging with that. But a good one if you are looking to control oil and kind of mattify skin is the Inky List Kaolin Mask. Does a nice job kind of soaking up any excess oil. I haven't need to use it in several months because my skin doesn't have any excess oil right now. But that's a good one. I just have a little bottle of it right now. But the Pharmacy Beauty Honey Potion Hydration Mask, this is also a good one. And I tried it on my 100 days. I've tried almost all these already. But this is a good one as well. And then in terms of sheet masks, Pharmacy Beauty makes great runs. They have a lot of good beneficial ingredients in there. The masks seem to fit pretty well. Some of them do include a little bit of fragrance. But again, for me, it's not as big of a concern in a product like that. And then I also thought I would line up a few of my favorite sleeping masks for you guys in case you're thinking of going that route. Your skin kind of benefits more the longer it's on your skin. So a few of my favorite sleeping masks. This one I've been using a lot lately is the Paula's Choice Radiance Renewal Mask. That one's a very good one. Pretty affordable, packaged nicely. And if you have dry skin or very dry skin, this is a good one to put on before bed. This is also newer, the Youth to the People Superberry Dream Mask. It does have a little bit of fragrance, and I've talked to some people. I thought the level of fragrance was acceptable, and there are a few other people I talked to that said it was just way too much. So I do recommend if you can smell it in the store before picking it up, just in case you are sensitive to things like that. The CosRx Low pH BHA Overnight Mask is also a good one. It's pretty thick, and if you have very, very acne-prone skin or reactive skin, I wouldn't recommend this, but if you have very dry, non-acne-prone skin, this one does a nice job hydrating. And then another one that I like more than I dislike is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I really like the texture. I really like the hydration it offers. Not a huge fan of the packaging again. And it does have a little bit of fragrance, but on days when my skin is feeling hydrated enough, but just needs a slight amount of hydration, this one's a good one that I go to for that. So, yeah, so I think I kind of summed up everything with masks, and then I'm going to go rinse this off. But if you haven't tried this and you're lacking hydration, this is a great one. And also, First Day Beauty just came out with their Retinol Eye Serum, which I finally got my hands on. So I've been trying it the last few days, and so far really like it. So anyway, so that's kind of about it for now. I'm interested if you guys have tried any of these masks I talked about, or if you tried different ones. Let me know what they are and how you like them, how often you use them. So definitely leave a comment if you haven't already. Subscribe and check out nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below. Thank you so much, guys.